At SANOVO Technology Process, we deliver complete powder processing solutions, designed, configured, and integrated into true turnkey ingredient processing plants. Let's follow the product from liquid to finished powder, step by step, from upstream liquid feed preparation, horizontal spray drying to downstream powder handling. The journey begins in stainless steel storage tanks for the liquid raw material, where controlled temperature and gentle agitation keep the product stable and hygienic before processing begins. From here, automated valve clusters direct the product through the line. No manual intervention, just clean, reliable, and fully controlled product transfer. Next, we move into pasteurization and heat treatment. Using advanced ohmic heating, the product reaches temperature quickly and uniformly, protecting functionality while ensuring food safety. When required, we blend and homogenize to achieve a stable, uniform liquid feed. This consistency prevents separation and prepares the product for efficient spray drying. Between batches or during production stops, centralized CIP systems run automated cleaning cycles, restoring full hygiene with minimal downtime. Spray drying becomes more energy efficient, and capacity increases when water content is reduced in the liquid feed beforehand. That's why, in many processes, the emulsion is concentrated first, often through technologies such as reverse osmosis or ultrafiltration, removing water before entering the dryer. Inside the gentle air horizontal spray dryer, the feed is introduced to heated air and atomized into fine droplets. Moisture evaporates instantly, leaving dry powder particles ready for collection. The horizontal box spray dryer with its efficient heat recovery unit is a proven alternative to traditional vertical spray drying towers, offering excellent control, safety, and building footprint efficiency, ensuring an attractive return on investment. After drying, the powder is sifted and conditioned to achieve the specified particle size, ensuring flowability, solubility, and consistent product performance. The product is then filled and sealed under hygienic conditions in a powder filling line, protecting powder quality and shelf life. Finally, automatic palletizing stacks, wraps, and labels the finished product, ready for storage and shipment. One complete process, one trusted partner. From raw liquid feed to valuable powder product, SANOVO Technology Process.